Welcome back to the channel, guys. You may be familiar with platforms like the iStock by Getty Images right here, or also the shutterstock.com. These are actually all cool and amazing platforms where you could easily go on to getting stock footages and stock videos right now to go on to utilizing for commercial purpose or any purpose of your choice right there. But you actually need to go on to paying some money right now to get such kinds of images, or some kind of registration for such platforms to get such images right now or videos right there. So there is actually an alternative to such platforms right there, and that alternative is this platform called the FOAP.com. This is an amazing platform that is quite similar to the platforms I showed you earlier. As with FOAP.com, guys, you can go on to unleashing the creativity of up to 4.5 million creators and get authentic, diverse photos and video content from your brand. And I'm going to walk you through how you could easily go on to earning some cool cash with this platform called FOAP.com if you do stick on with me to the end of this video. But before we go on to details of this particular video and strategy right now, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on easy ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also hit the like button to the video you're watching right now. Maybe you could subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all so that you always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. And if you watch this video right now to the end, I'll be giving you a bonus that could help you go on to making up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month right now. So stick on with me as we dive right into this particular strategy. Now, like I said, guys, this is a very cool platform where you could go on to getting some cool and amazing stock footages right here. And this platform right here has some cool partners which you can see on this particular section, such as Philips, Coca-Cola, Volvo, and some other cool and amazing platforms out there. So you may be seeing that if you're a customer and you want to come onto this platform, what customers actually do is to sign up to the platform called FOAP.com. They're going to give you a brief description right here about what they actually do want right now, and creators goes on to submitting their photos or videos that is actually related to that description, or creators go on to making that particular photos or videos based on that particular description, sent to the particular creators or to the particular customers, and the customers review the submissions and pay for only the ones they actually choose. And that's absolutely quite cool right now. So customers will come right here to the platform to go on to getting the kind of images they do want based on descriptions right here, and those images are created by creators, and the images are actually authentic, real images that were taken by professionals out there, and such images are actually having the authenticity, diversity and relevance right now. Now you can scroll through this homepage and you're going to see much more details about the platform, but you could take note that right here you can actually continue as a brand or continue as a creator. Now in continue as a brand, that means you are actually looking to hire creators to go on to creating a specific kind of image or video for you. But if you want to continue as a creator, you can actually go on to creating cool content for individuals to make money online. Now you can actually see right here that this is actually the customer section for FOAP, which is the FOAP.com/customers, where they can actually go on to hiring or signing up to the platform to hire individuals and go on to getting what they actually do want. Now you can see these are examples of jobs that people are actually posting on this platform. You can see the description which they're actually giving on the platform right now. This says the name of the mission says it all. We are looking for a photo with the main subject's color being orange. Rules are simple. You can unlock up to 15 photos upload in this mission. As you can see, you could go on to reading more about that. Now this is just a simple description or a simple task which are giving out to creators to go on to doing, and you can see right now creators have actually went on to submitting about 3,400 photos on this platform. You can see right now the reward of this is actually about $300 reward, and this has successfully ended right now. Now what the customers actually go on to doing is, from this particular 3,409 photos that were submitted to the customer, he go on to selecting the ones which he actually loves and go on to paying the individuals that created such kind of images right now for this particular task. Now you can actually do scroll through and see other tasks or other jobs right here. You can see this one has a reward of $500, this one of $1,200, this one right here $600, this is actually $300, this is actually a $0 reward. And the more you keep scrolling through, the more you keep seeing some cool jobs. Now for customers actually come right here, they can come to submitting their brand brief right now, such as how people actually did on this particular section, for them to go on to hiring someone or getting a particular kind of image or footage they actually want. Now for you as a creator, if you're actually interested in making money with this platform, you need to go on to signing up as a creator by switching to creator right now. Now if you do switch to creator right here, as you can see, you could go on to downloading the application, maybe for the Android devices or iOS devices, and if you scroll through right now, you can see that you could go on to earning money with the platform in a quite easy way right now. You can see that by earning money on this platform, you just simply need to upload your videos and photos and earn cash. You could take part in creative video and photo missions for brand and win hundreds of dollars. Now you could also get this particular application now for this platform also. Now those are actually for missions. You can also go on to uploading any kind of images which you actually want on the platform, and once people want to use such images, you're going to get paid some certain commission from their registration bonuses for you actually creating that image or video that they actually did use. Now you can also go on to see right here that you could turn your photos and videos into cash. You just need to download the application. This particular platform has actually been in existence for 10 plus years right now, and you can see that they have actually gotten about 10,000 plus briefs. They've paid off creators up to $3 million and actually gotten about 3,000 plus brands using FOAP. And you can actually see much more details about the platform right here and how cool this actually is. Now this section, guys, are actually for customers looking for ways to sign up to the platform. They can gain access to a free trials where they can just simply go on to getting one crowd brand and 3 mission briefs. They could actually go on to getting 3 user seats, worldwide royalty free license, ultimate creator and content, and you could also gain access to account managers. Now you can see for the standard account, these are actually some of the features, while for the enterprise account, these are the features right now. You could go on to scrolling through and you can see comparison between each account that could enable you go on to knowing the account to sign up for right now. But you can just simply make sure you're actually signing up as a creator if you intend on making money online with this platform. You just need to go on to getting cool and amazing creative images, upload on the platform. Once people do see your images, like the images, they're going to go on to using the image, and you do get paid some cool cash right there. Or people actually come onto the platform right now and go on to submitting stuff like jobs or tasks for you to go on to doing. You're also going to go on to getting some cool cash with this particular platform if you actually do go on to being one of the person that wins that particular mission, and you're going to earn some cool reward for that. So this is actually a very cool way to earn money online. Now if you're actually looking for other ways to make money online, just don't forget to check out my channel, OJ Marketing. I create a lot of videos that could help boost your income online. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. And like I said earlier, I promised you about a very cool strategy or bonus tip that could help you make up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month. And for that, you want to check out the first link in the description of this video. That link is going to lead you right now to an amazing 3 hours YouTube work plan. And this is actually a course I'm giving out to you guys, as this course can enable you set up a 3 hours YouTube work plan to fast track your channel earnings and growth on YouTube. This is absolutely for people interested in making money on YouTube, as you could make up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month with this particular strategy on this course. And you can actually see right now they are giving out this course for the giveaway price that will last till April 1st 2024, and you can actually see the price is actually going out for, or the cost is going out for, about $50 right now, which will enable you save up to $150 today. And after the date or the giveaway date, which is April 1st 2024, you need to go to paying up to $200 to gain access to that particular course. And you don't want to miss out on this opportunity, as you can see a lot of people are utilizing this to make some cool cash online. You can see the earning proofs. You could also go on to scrolling down to watch this video and check out more details on the earning proofs right now. You could check out how cool this particular course actually is by clicking the first link in the description of the video. It's going to lead you right here to this page, and you can see much more details. And I do hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.